Hello, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. If today is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share this video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you step by step how to create a Trust Wallet account. So stick and stay with me, and after this video, I promise you'll be able to create a Trust Wallet account. Let me quickly share a little about Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is Binance's official crypto wallet. It is a cryptocurrency wallet which enables businesses and individuals to store, buy, exchange, collect NFTs, and cryptocurrency. Trust Wallet provides mobile applications for both Android and iOS, and it's also available for free. We can have and enjoy Trust Wallet by downloading it on either App Store or Play Store. Let's open our Play Store application. In the search space, let's search for Trust Wallet. After finding it, we then click on Install, then wait for it to download. After it has been successfully installed on our phone, we can now click on Open. Let's quickly click on Create a new wallet. Trust Wallet has some legal terms we need to be aware of. Kindly do well and read the terms. After that's said and done, we can now check the box that says I have read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Then we can now click on Continue. Trust Wallet has a unique secret phrase that can always help us back up our wallet. There are some cautions below we need to take note of. Firstly, you should know that if you lose your secret phrase, your funds will be lost forever. I would advise you write and keep them safe from anyone. Secondly, you should also note that if you expose or share your secret phrase to anybody, your funds can get stolen. And lastly, you should note that Trust Wallet support will never reach out to ask for your secret phrase. Since we agreed to this, we can now tick all three boxes and then click on Continue. To verify that you have backed up your recovery phrases, Trust Wallet will prompt you to write them in sequential order as you've received them. Because it is confidential, you will not be able to see mine. After doing that successfully, you then click on Continue. And congratulations, you have your wallet created. So maybe you want to fund your wallet. First click on Buy. You can see here we have so many cryptos you can buy. Let's assume you want to buy USDT. Search for USDT in the search box. You could see the minimum you can buy here is $150, which may be above your budget, but there are great deals on Binance P2P where you can buy cryptos as less as $10. Yes, $10. That is why it is important to create a Binance account so you can enjoy all these good deals. Check the link in the description to register a Binance account and get to enjoy a whopping 10% discount on all your trading fees. Let me quickly show you how you can find Binance P2P. After signing in, on the home page, click on More. Secondly, click on Gifts and Campaigns. Now, click on P2P. You can see we have so many merchants here. Search for the one with a good deal according to your budget. You could see here, we can buy USDT less than $30 from Merchant Bright. You are welcome. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Peace out.